Hello, welcome back. Another fun, exciting week in Corona times. Now, what we're going to be talking about today is a simple topic referred to as comparatives. Comparative is a style of word. Basically, it is used when you are comparing things. To compare means to talk about how two things are different. Okay? What you are going to be doing is describing two things. How are they not the same? For example, rabbit, elephant. How are a rabbit and an elephant different? Now, you could say, oh, the rabbit is small and the elephant is big. But that is two different things. That's two sentences. There is an easier way to do it, and that is using a comparative sentence. Here's how. You would say, the rabbit is smaller than the elephant. Okay, sorry, running out of room. The rabbit is smaller than the elephant. Okay, this is a comparative sentence. Okay, you're taking that same information, the rabbit is small, the elephant is big, and you smushed it together to make one sentence. Now, how do you make this? So, first of all, number one, you have to compare nouns. Rabbit, elephant. Both of them are nouns. And, as I'm sure you remember, a noun is PPT. A person, a place, or a thing. You can compare to people, to things, to foods, to places. Any of those are fine. Oh, Korea is nicer than Japan. Burger King is more delicious than McDonald's. Whatever you want to say is fine. But you can only compare nouns. You cannot compare adjectives, which we are going to be talking about in a second. Like big is better than small does not really make any sense at all. What you need to be doing is changing them to be a noun if you want to do that. Sorry, which is complicated. Okay, so two nouns are what you can compare. Animals, great. Two people, oh, my mom and my dad. Two places, Korea and Canada. Whatever you're going to be talking about, those are what's going to come. And you need a verb. Usually, that verb is going to be a be verb, either am, is, or are. Now, it does not need to be, but usually it is, okay? And you are going to need this word, than, okay? If you are comparing things, than means to compare, okay? And remember, it has an A, T-H-A-N. T-H-E-N is wrong. Then means next. T-H-E-N is not what you want. T-H-A-N, than, to compare. Okay? And last of all, you need a comparative sentence. Or sorry, a comparative adjective. Okay? Comparatives are kinds of adjectives that have changed form. Adjectives are describing words. There are thousands of adjectives. A lot of them you probably already know. Okay, so words like big, small, old, young, cute, good, bad, fun, funny, sexy, spicy, angry, happy, beautiful, handsome, dangerous, wonderful, expensive, blah, 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 blah. All of these are adjectives. Now, they are all able to be changed into a comparative form, but they do not all change in the same way. Some of them get ER, some of them get more. The question is, when do you use each one? Okay? The answer is, how long is the word? Okay? And what's important is not to look at how many letters are in that word, but how many syllables. What's a syllable? I can hear you ask through the phone. Oh, excellent question. A syllable is a unit of sound. Okay? You probably already know what they are because Korean writing uses syllables all the time. Korean writing is based on writing in syllables. This is my name in Korean, Tim Yak Lee. But each one of these is a syllable. It has one vowel sound. Tim, Yak Lee. Okay? So, one syllable, three syllables. So, as an important thing, this is a common fight between me and my wife. My name is not Yakuli, but that's the way Koreans always write it because Koreans insist on adding three syllables into my name. But my name is actually two syllables. So I have fought with my wife many times to say that my name should be written Yakli. I have lost that fight. It's a sad, sad thing. But these are syllables. If a word has one syllable, like big, small, old, young, cute, then it goes with ER. One syllable words, you get ER on the end. Bigger, smaller, older, younger, cuter. Okay, now, cute and big are spelled differently for a lot of reasons. If you have one vowel, A-E-I-O-U, and one consonant, which is not a vowel, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, or Z, one and one, you cannot just put an E here because that would make it a long vowel. Okay, so instead of it being bigger, it would become biger, which is not what you want to say. So if it is one vowel, one consonant, you need to double the consonant. Big, B-I-G-G-E-R. And if a word ends with E, you just put an R. Cute-er. Okay? With that, an important thing. A lot of times people will make the mistake and say, not cute, but cute-e. Cutie is not a word. Do not say it. Cuter is the word you are looking for. Cutie is Konglish. So, if a word is one syllable, it goes with ER. But if a word is more than one syllable, two syllables and up, everything else goes with more. Okay? So, words like beautiful, three syllables. More beautiful. Handsome, two syllables. More handsome. More dangerous. More delicious. More wonderful. More expensive. Okay? Simple enough? No problem? Great. Except it is not that easy, of course, because English is crazy. Words that end with Y break these rules. Okay? Any word that ends with Y is going to be a two-syllable word. Happy, angry, spicy, sexy, funny. Okay? Words that end with Y, you would assume go with more. More happy, because it's a two-syllable word. But they do not. If a word ends with Y, what you need to do is change the Y to an I. Then you add ER. Okay? So all of these, that's a lovely sound, erase the I, add I-E-R. Okay? Happy-er, angry-er, spicy-er, sexy-er, funny-er. Okay? All of these are used in a sentence to compare two different things. Oh, I am happier than he. She is angrier than him. Okay? And the last words that are confusing are here. Good, bad, I don't know if you can see that, but fun. Okay. Each of these words is strange and unusual. Okay? Good does not become gooder. It does not become more good. Good changes to better. Okay, oh, pizza is better than, I don't know, mushrooms. English is better than Spanish. Bad changes to worse. Math is worse than PE. Wednesday is worse than Friday, whatever. Okay, just means, yeah, more bad. And the last is fun. Now, before we go on, one important thing to understand is the difference between fun and funny. Because a lot of times people will mix up these two words and they have very different meanings. If something is fun, that means you like it. It is good. If something is funny, it makes you laugh. Okay? Usually, if something is funny, it is also fun. But not all the time. It does not have to be that way. Okay? So, Gagman is funnier than me. Okay? That's fine. But fun just means you like it. Many things can be fun and not funny. Okay? For example, watching a scary movie. It's fun, you like it, but it's not funny. Okay? If you're watching a scary movie and it's like, and you're like, ha, she's dead. You're a crazy person. Fun is different from funny. Okay? And it should become funner because it's a one-syllable word, but it does not. Fun actually becomes more fun. Why? I don't know. It just does. Okay? So, that is what is important to remember when you are going to be using these phrases. Paying attention to how long is that adjective, okay, to make a sentence. Like older, angrier, more delicious, better, worse, okay? Very, very important to remember when you are going to be using these. So, pardon me. We are going to be doing a activity now where we're going to be talking and comparing two different people. Please wait 1 second. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is an activity. I'm going to be showing you pictures of two different people. Now, usually in class, you would be making these sentences out loud, but alas, we are not in class. So I'm going to trust that you are a smart, wonderful student and you want to do a lot of work. So I'm going to show you pictures of two people. I want you to try and make a sentence to compare them. I will be doing the same thing, helping you along to compare each person. Okay, so please, for example, Sarah is cuter than Jane. This is a fine sentence, okay? Comparing a noun with a noun, be verb, than comparative adjective. Okay, cuter, one syllable word. Got it? Okay, first up, we're going to be comparing Jessica Alba, Scarlett Johansson. Okay, you could say many different things about them. Both of them are actresses, if you do not know. Jessica Alba is in, I don't know, Sin City. Scarlett Johansson is Black Widow. So, Scarlett Johansson is richer than Jessica Alba. Anything you want. More beautiful, sexier, older, younger, to compare them. Okay, please try. Next, we are comparing Brad Pitt, Tom Cruise. Again, two famous actors. You can compare them using older, younger, more handsome, sexier, stronger, cuter, more stylish, whatever you want to say, okay? But who do you prefer? Who do you like better? Brad Pitt, Tom Cruise. Next, Korean actresses, Han Ga-in, Chun Ji-hyun. How would you compare them? happier, more talented, more wonderful, more beautiful, more stylish? How would you compare these two women? Same next. Korean men. Please, how would you compare these two? What would you say? Again, more stylish, younger, older, cuter, smarter, more talented. What do you think of them? Who is more handsome? How would you compare these two? Okay, again, same thing. How would you compare these two? Who do you think is cuter? Who do you think is more beautiful? Who do you think is more talented? Okay, again, same thing, again with different actors. If you do not realize, Johnny Depp is from Pirates of the Caribbean. Robert Downey Jr. is Iron Man. What would you say about these two? Who do you prefer? Who is more handsome? Who is cuter? Who is more stylish? How would you compare these two men? Okay, and we're going to wrap up soon. We have Tyra Banks and Beyonce. These are both black models. Tyra Banks is a bikini model. Beyonce, well, she's Beyonce. She's a singer. And how would you compare these two? Who is more talented? Who is more beautiful? Who is sexier? What would you compare them? Okay, so compare these two women. Okay, and finally, last one, comparing Marvel's Chris Hemsworth and Chris Evans, Thor and Captain America. Who do you prefer? Who is more handsome? Who is stronger? Who is sexier? Who do you like better? Okay, how would you compare these two men? Okay, so hopefully you were able to move along. You were able to make good sentences comparing them. Obviously, I'm not here to do this with you. So what I would like you to do for homework is to make a short video making sentences comparing any two people that you want. Okay? It could be people that I have shown, people whose video that you have seen here. If you want to compare Captain America and Thor, that's fine. If you want to compare anybody else, that's not a problem. But I want you to make at least 5 sentences to compare people in your video. Okay? If you want to compare your mom and your dad, it's not a problem. Compare 2 people. Make good sentences about how they are different. Okay? And please do here. Okay, this worksheet, please fill this out as well as you can using comparatives to answer these questions. Okay? Best of luck. I'll see you next time.